last time என்ன வேல்யூ கொடுத்திருக்கோம் அந்த வேல்யூ should be there. Okay, next when you take this example we have a distinct brand code element calls here mentioned colors. For example, in this we have a key values. You can able to have one key and multiple values. So we are going to print this in what does it print? Brand code LTD calls here 9064 colors number red, white and then blue. In case if you want to print only these colors na you are going to print only the key value per red. You are going to print key means you will be given only the colors. So it prints what it prints? Red, white and blue. புரிஞ்சுங்களா? அப்போ ஒரு keyக்கு will be having multiple values. In case you want to print that key also you can able to print using the term called distinct colors. Okay va? புரிஞ்சுதா? Do you have anyone doubt on this? Shall we proceed to the next one? Okay, next. Normally this time we will instead of square bracket kora we can able to give like this. நம்ம போன கிளாஸ்ல பார்த்தோம்ல என்னது செட் வந்து லிஸ்ட்ல இருந்து கூட சேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம் டூபிள் இருந்து சேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம் சிமிலர் டு பிலாவ டிஸ்டன்ஸ் டிக்ஷனரி டூபிள் ல இருக்கு you should use in that keyword called DACT. அப்ப என்னாச்சு this one is called DACT or key value keys name John. Call it John. Age is your key, value is 36. Age is country and value is country. So it will print this one randomly prints as per a dictionary format. As name John, age 36, country Norway. Okay va? Okay. Okay. See next one. Let's insert similarly. If you want to print, for example, நம்ம ஒரு for example என்ன சொன்னேன் we need to print the call execute distance of get of year. Year கொடுத்தன வரும் sorry but 1964. For example நான் ஏற்கனவே the keys தனியா print பண்ணனும் இல்ல values தனியா print பண்ணனும் இல்ல. In case you want to print particular a key image will be getting get dot this dot of get ன keyword யூஸ் பண்ணி கூட print பண்ணலாம். So what does it print? It prints a value of 1964. இப்போ நார்மலா நம்ம print பண்ணனும் அப்படினா we will be using the term called keys, we will be using the function called values, next we will be using the term called get. Okay, next one. Next we will be having the dictionary called car, same car, a brand code. Okay, for example we are going to change we are going to access the variables. First என்ன access பண்ண போறோம் color instead of we are going to add a term called colors equal to white. Okay, next we are going to add a key value bar represent color and white. Okay va? First call என்னென்ன key value bar இருக்கு call என்னென்ன key value bar brand இருக்கு model இருக்கு year இருக்கு. Next so we are going to print car dot keys என்ன print ஆயிருக்கு brand model year. Next we are going to add the term called color. Okay va? இங்க இருக்கா? Next we are going to have a brand model and year. This you are going to use you are going to add the term called color and color is anybody byte. So you are going to print the value of x is but it prints the value of color is anybody brand that is color ஒரு key add ஆயிடுச்சு அது value of instrument writing ஆயிடுச்சுனா now you are going to print the value called class number dictionary. So print value என்னது brand for model method year 1964 color equal to white. புரியுதுங்களா? in this way also you can able to add the key value pair. Okay va? Next okay 15 okay okay let's move on. Okay, see let's similarly will be adding the word called year. Okay va? Year என்ன இருக்கு you are going to change the year of 1964 to 2018. You are able to change the year of 1964 to 2018. So it prints that you are going to